This dance is called Down on the Corner. It's a 32 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance. And we do actually travel and visit every corner of the room in this dance. So we're going to start off facing 10:30. So we cross rock right over left. As you recover the weight on that left, square yourself back up to 12 o'clock. Chassé to the right. Cross rock left over right, making that 1/8 of the turn right. Recover on the right foot, so we're now facing 1:30. Shuffle half a turn over the left shoulder, quarter close, quarter, so you face 7:30. So there's 3 of our corners, we've only got 1 more to visit. That section once more then, cross rock, facing 10:30 to start, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, half shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Now you're going to make a 3/4 turn over your right shoulder, so that you end up facing the final corner, 4:30. So to do this 3/4 turn, you're going to turn half right, you step the right forward. Further quarter turn to the right, you step to the left beside the right, and step the right slightly to the side. So it's the same shuffle timing as you're used to, but they're just slightly different steps. And we're now facing 4:30. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on that right. Into a coaster step. But in doing this coaster step, we're going to put that 1/8 of a turn to the left, so we square ourselves up to 3 o'clock. So that section once more then, forward rock off on the right, we're facing 7:30 to start. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, cross rock, coaster step. So there is that 3/4 turn there. There's no easy way of actually taking that out. Just do a quarter shuffle to get yourself facing 4:30. So you'll rock forward on your right, recover your weight on the left, shuffle yourself, quarter of a turn over those 3 little steps, cross rock, coaster step. So it's non-turning steps if you want to try and take that 3/4 out. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Facing 10:30, cross rock up on the right. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, cross rock, coaster step. Walk forward, 2 steps, right, left. Touch the right forward, touch the right back. Shuffle forward on the right, step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. So that section once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot. Now you're actually going to repeat that with the left foot leading, so let's just do that section and then we'll put it all together. So walking forward off on the left, walk, walk, touch the left forward, touch the left back, shuffle forward on the left, step forward on the right, pivot to half a turn left. Nice and easy, just do that once more. Off on the left, walking forward. 7, 8, walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot. Let's put it all together. Cross rock off on the right, facing 10:30. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot. walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot. So that is your dance. You can probably tell where the ad counts are in it, but I'll go through the counts anyway. Cross rock facing 10:30. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance. But it's a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, forward rock, touch shuffle, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Forward rock, touch shuffle, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, walk, walk, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, forward rock and quarters, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, chassé, cross rock, half shuffle, cross rock, touch shuffle, cross rock, coaster step, walk, walk, touch, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, walk, walk, touch, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, forward rock, walks, walk, cross rock.
You don't need a penny just to hang around. But if you got a nickel, won't you lay your money down? Over on the corner, there's a happy noise. People come from all around just to watch the magic boy. Down on the corner, out in the street, where the boys play, bring a nickel tap to beat. Down on the corner, out in the street, where the boys
hope you managed that one.